hegemony. Now, there are two pronunciations of the word. Hegemony is the American pronunciation and hegemony is British. I'm not sure whether there's an exact word for the word hegemony in Hindi, but I think the Hindi word prabhutva, which means influence or domination, comes very close to the meaning of the word hegemony. Hegemony is the domination or influence of one political group over others. Hegemony is complete dominance. In fact, the dominance and influence is complete up to a point that the group being dominated accepts the superiority of the other group without the use of any physical force. For example, the Romans had established their hegemony over the entire Mediterranean. So Romans ने पूरे Mediterranean में अपना control जमा लिया था. Another example, hegemonic power of United States is coming to an end. So with the rise of China, the hegemonic power of United States is gradually coming to an end. Another example close to home, Cholas had hegemonic control over most of Southwest Asia. Hopefully, we are getting the meaning here.
I'm a OP boy. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my